Voiceover script begins. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to master Power BI and truly harness its data modeling power, today's video is just for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a one-to-many relationship between tables in Power BI, which is one of the most important foundations for building accurate and dynamic reports. So let's get started right away. First up, open your Power BI workspace. If you've already got Power BI running, great, and if not, go ahead and launch it now. This is where all your data comes to life, so it's worth taking a moment just to get comfortable with the interface. You'll be spending a fair bit of time here if you want to really dig into building insightful dashboards. Now let's choose the tables we want to relate. In the fields pane on the right, you'll see a list of tables in your current data model. For this example, we'll use a common scenario, a products table and a sales table. The products table lists all items your company sells, and the sales table records every transaction. Maybe imagine you're running a bike shop. Products has your bikes, helmets, and accessories, while sales records each customer's purchase. To create a relationship, find one of these tables, right-click on it, and then select Manage Relationships. This window is kind of the control center for how your tables connect. No need to feel overwhelmed if you see a complex list here. We're going to focus on adding a brand new relationship. Next, click the Add Relationship button. Power BI will prompt you to choose which tables and which columns you want to connect. Here, where the magic happens. The goal is to link information from your products table to individual sales in the sales table, so pick the products table as one side and then select the sales table as the other. Now you need to choose the columns that act as the key. In almost every setup, something like a product ID is a perfect fit. It's unique in the products table, and it appears in the sales table to note which product was sold. Think of this product ID as a fingerprint, ensuring each product can be traced through all your transactions. Now, before you hit save, there's a very important step, adjusting the cardinality. Cardinality basically tells Power BI how many items on each side of the relationship can match. For our case, set the cardinality to one-to-many. What does that mean? Well, each product in the products table can appear in many rows of the sales table. For instance, if you sold 10 bikes in 1 week, that same product ID will show up 10 times in sales. But each sale only has one product recorded, so it's a classic one-to-many setup. Double-check this step. Getting it right makes your reports way more accurate. If you ever connect tables incorrectly, you might see weird repeats or missing data in your visuals, so this is worth your attention. Once everything looks good, go ahead and hit save. Power BI will now establish that relationship in your model. Sometimes this can take a moment to process, especially with larger datasets, so don't worry if it doesn't snap together instantly. Once it's done, you've laid the groundwork for everything from dynamic filtering to accurate aggregations in your reports. Relationships really are the glue that holds your model together, and just like that, you're done. You've created a one-to-many relationship in Power BI, connecting your data in a way that lets you produce truly insightful analytics. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions or you'd like to see more examples, maybe working with more tables or more complex relationships, drop a comment below. And of course, if you want more Power BI tips and data visualization guides, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.